Have you ever had those clients who turn up and say, "I'm anxious, I'm having intrusive thoughts and I have to get rid of them"? Or perhaps they say, "You have to help me get rid of my cravings for cigarettes or junk food." If so, I'm super excited to share with you something that I've been developing for the last few years for exactly these moments. Something I call the willingness ladder. My name's Howard Cooper. For the last 20 years, I've been working with people therapeutically, helping people to have rapid shifts in thinking that lead to positive, lasting changes. You may have tuned into my old podcast, Rapid Change Matters, where I spent many years interviewing other leading agents of change, or maybe you've come across my work in relation to fear of flying. I spent around 2 years as the lead presenter on Virgin Atlantic's Flying Without Fear course. But increasingly over the years, I've come to the realization that more often than not, the client's perceived solution of having to get rid of something is the very problem that's keeping them stuck. Think about it this way. If my 8-year-old walked into my bedroom screaming, "Daddy, Daddy, there's a monster under my bed," how effective would it reassure him if I said, "There's no monster, but whatever you do, don't look it in the eyes"? This response would add credibility to the notion that there really was a monster, and it would likely freak him out further. So instead of trying to get rid of something, I simply take clients often through a series of 6 questions that I call the willingness ladder, that are designed to help people discover they don't have to get rid of thoughts to experience relief. And in fact, the more willing they are to have these, the less these thoughts seem to appear, so everyone's a winner. At this year's UK Hypnosis Convention, I'm really excited to share with you exactly what these questions are so that you can start using them in your client work too.